present simple and present continuous, conversation practice and repetition.
I'm back, Mom. Where are you?
I'm here, in the kitchen. My son is here now. He is a cute boy.
Are you cooking, Mom?
Yes, I am.
What are you making?
I'm making a cake.
Is it a chocolate cake?
No, it isn't. I'm making a strawberry cake. It's very delicious.
My mom is cooking. She is making a strawberry cake. I like strawberry cake.
Are you hungry?
No, I am not.
Are you doing homework?
No, I am not.
What are you doing?
I am drawing.
My son is not hungry. He is not doing homework. He is drawing a pig.
Now, I am painting. It is beautiful. I am putting it on the wall.
He is putting it on the wall. It is very beautiful.
I am thinking of the cake. I am hungry now. I'm going to the kitchen. Mom, I am hungry. I want to eat the cake.
Wash your hands first. My son is hungry now. He wants to eat the cake.
I am walking. I'm washing my hands. My hands are clean now. I am taking the cake. I am eating the cake.
He is eating the cake. We are eating the cake.
The cake is sweet and yummy. I like the strawberry cake. Thank you, Mom. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoy learning. If you found this video helpful, we invite you to subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and share it with others who may also benefit from it. Your support is greatly appreciated.